So we hit the road and headed towards Colorado, and our first stop was the Sand Dunes National Park. Where are we? Great, Sand Dunes National Park. That's where we are. And it is beautiful. They have a off-roading 4x4 trail, and it's snowy on the ground.
You don't really need a 4x4.
I mean, I wouldn't take a normal car out here as we go rock crawling.
Yeah. I was just thinking about the guy who just passed.
Okay, yeah, you don't need a four-wheel drive here. No.
We're not in four-wheel drive.
It doesn't matter if you're not like lifted and normal. You would not be okay here. See, it literally says four-wheel drive past road, high clearance, four-wheel drive only, strictly enforced. Soft stand ahead, lower tire pressure, or you will get stuck.
Or you will get stuck.
Stay on the road. Use pullouts to pass. The nearest one may be behind you. Vehicles obstructing traffic may be issued a violation. Point of no return.
If you have,
we're doing it.
It's stuck. Good thing our thing says low tire pressure, right, baby? Where was this off sand at?
Probably down here. Don't be funny.
No, we already passed it. That was it.
I mean,
here's some too.
We have a winch. There's not a lot of trees.
Maybe we still want a tandem, right?
Right? Oh, it's slick.
Yeah. It's beautiful. It's totally sandy. That's why it's strictly enforced. Daddy. Are you trying to get stuck out here?
This ain't even worse than Greenbrier. That sand in Greenbrier is worse
me out.
Sorry, you're shifting gears. You don't want to get caught lacking out here in the sand. Don't
we
off.
know?
Don't let off, mommy. He said, I just tried to switch gears.
Woohoo! Yay! It's so much fun. Woo!
We run out of sand. I'm pulling off for you, buddy.
He's pulling off for you. Oh, if they can do it, we can do it.
Yeah. I don't know.
Oh, look, here's the sand dunes. What a beautiful view.
This is better than walking there.
I know.
Wow, look at how high they are.
They're almost as high as the mountains. Damn near.
It's about to pay on that tandem.
Is it cold? Love you. I got you a snow cone. It's from the snow on the ground. How cool. We need to get the proper gear. We are not ready to play in the snow. Dad. Is it good?
No.
No, Riley needs that. You got it?
Did you get it?
This is Jen Reach. You gonna eat it? Is it yellow?
Yeah.
Oh, you're not supposed to eat yellow snow.
Why?
Because somebody probably peed in it. Is that so cool? Get your own snow. We got Daddy with a snowball.
Both got me with snow.
Yeah, but you win and hit me with a snowball.
And I did too?
Yeah.
That's right, I did.
Puddle.
Puddle?
Oh, there's somebody coming. So we hung out around the national park for about a week and decided it was time to head west because we had a really epic adventure planned.
I could sit around and wait all day. You lay easy on my mind, like a candle I just burn away. All we really have is time. All we really have is time. I don't wanna waste it on anybody. Take it with anybody but you. I don't wanna waste it on anybody. Take it with anybody but you. What was it they used to say? Seeking you will find. There is nothing in you that is fading. All you ever do is shine. You are brighter all the time.
Go, go, go! I'm gonna my video, you!
I don't wanna waste it on anybody. Take it with anybody but you.
It's 7:30 in the morning, and we're going on a train today. We're at the Home Depot parking lot in Durango, Colorado.
Yeah, headlights and the reflection of the Jeep.
I know they're flashing funny. Wow. Whoa. How cool. I think we're right here, Riley Roo. We're right here. This is us. We're on the train tracks.
Did you do that?
Yeah, they were like ducks.
Like, float into water.
I guess you're allowed to get out and walk around
Yeah,
to the front of the
I'm sure. Yeah, you can like walk around. You go to like the concession thing and everything. What?
This mountain.
Oh my
Wow,
god.
it's huge, huh?
Yeah. We have heights up there.
We have what?
We have two heights up there.
We have to hike up there?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. So I've never been on a train ride and I've always wanted to go, so it was really awesome to check this off of the bucket list. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers to the
Cheers.
I'm not taking anymore because I'm already warm. I wonder what was it? What was it, Dad? Your glasses.
Yeah.
Daddy dropped his glasses outside.
It's a good thing we were stopped, huh?
Yeah.
So the train left from Durango, Colorado and took you up the side of the mountain to Cascade Canyon. It's snowing. You're so You sure are. Okay. I know.
Yeah. Cheese.
So we've been in Colorado for a few weeks by this point, and it was time to head to our new state, which is Utah. This is the first for all of us, and we're super excited to check it out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.